Sadness was struck tonight after a car crash claimed 2 young lives, making the third early yesterday morning.
Investigators say it appears the car failed to stop at Farmers Drive, went across the lawn, hit a sign, and then crashed into the building.
Your team is banning.
That's the location of the crash. So, one responsible for vehicles. 20-year-old Dominic was in 1989.
It didn't feel like reality. So I got
There were so many people there, and so many people were like asking so many questions to all of us. And they're like, you were with them, what were you guys doing? What did they take? They were on something. They didn't even give us a second to process what was happening.
My parents were just trying to explain, like, you know, the podcast, he passed away. And I started, like, screaming, crying, and, like, you know, getting really upset. And I was like, I was there,
Your team is picking.
Zia.
their kids or their wife that their son or brother. We have legally was very much trying to hopefully get mechanism. Okay. All that we know is the car driving.
Ready? Go!
But we
Please pick a hero.
how I want to know the truth of that.
That worked on easily serious felony. This is undoubtedly not the most significant case I ever worked on. Strongsville does not have very much violence. This is a peaceful place. The police department wanted to prosecute looking at this case with them. It's my goal to do everything I can to provide justice for our families that so cruelly had their loved one taken from them, and try to figure out what the hell is up.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops unity is strength!
Also, 8 grams of psilocybin mushrooms concealed in her clothing.
Legends never
That was a
surrender.
significant piece of information. I'm thinking through the potential of what was positive. Was it operator? Was it substance?
Tama.
Yeah,
Ako yung may pinakita
me
ko.
and
Launch attack!
growing up, we kind of jumped from house to house because we lived so close. She's like my
Launch
sister to me.
attack!
She's from Ireland.
Launch attack!
She would stay up
An enemy has been slain.
I remember at school, I was bullied a little bit.
Iron.
Like, sometimes I was she was a very loyal person.
Launch attack! First.
And not getting a response.
I am legend.
Launch attack! Enemy outplay. Launch attack!
Legend.
Launch attack! Attack the turtle!
Get this one, bro.
Ally has
Iron.
launch attack!
Thank you so much.
The police started asking me questions. Okay, and I said, wait, I think you're gonna avoid
That
it.
was
So I was
amazing.
you said, okay.
We are unity in diversity.
So then, police have to get access to yourself.
An ally has slain the turtle!
So,
Of course we gave
An
it
enemy
that.
has been slain.
Go ahead.
No pain. No gain.
Launch attack!
we are looking for evidence of intoxication,
Solo kill!
communication with people,
Launch
social
attack!
media posts would give some insight
Destroy the
into
turret.
your sense of emotional threat.
Request backup!
got ready to hang out with my friends this weekend. Oh my god, scared as bag. She's up in the house and she's so cute. We actually went.
Retreat! Killing spree!
No pain. No gain.
She come to school with a purse instead of a bag, which I thought was cute. I got along with her well because I'm like, you're cute. She's like, you're cute. And I'm like, okay.
Launch attack! Mega kill!
She always wanted to be a model like me, so me and Kenzie would hang out all the time just go do photo shoots. Dapat yung mag-alta ka.
Yan na siya, no?
Dapat yung
They got together in freshman year.
Launch attack!
Boyfriends weren't really.
Unstoppable! Double kill!
heal.
Mackenzie has quarters down, and they didn't tell her that it was him, that he didn't really.
We are unity in
I'm sorry,
diversity.
and she goes, no, it's not him. Please go check.
Launch attack.
I said, because if it wasn't him, he'd be here.
About what took place inside that room.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Still na po, pinituloy ko na.
Luto na tayo.
Legendary. Launch attack. Launch attack. Kill. Legendary. Launch attack. Earth control.
My love is you. Burag kanta Jill.
Attack the Lord.
I am legend.
And told them that they could provide some information.
Initiate retreat.
We can literally do their day out in time. So I would ask you guys, okay.
Launch attack.
Alright.
Launch attack.
We can monitor each other's location via GPS.
Oh no, like this is.
We are unity in diversity.
They went to a little gathering of all the graduation
Launch
parties.
attack.
Yeah, they might have been outside together. This was the second
Kill.
graduation.
Great play. Attack the Lord. All is damage.
Graduates parties. Maybe they
No
want
pain, no gain.
if the guys
Request backup. An ally has slain Lord. Launch attack.
People observe.
But looking at Mackenzie's phone, there was evidence of her tripping on mushrooms. And it seemed to be almost there were some photos also for using days or even the day
Initiate retreat.
Ibang palit, Coke daw no. Coke daw no.
Typical high schoolers do. We're kind of like the stoners
Wala may Coke.
Walang sen?
Ay, ikaw lang yan.
Hold it ready. Killing spree. All is damage. Your team destroyed the turret. Initiate
So reached out of faithful drug games. In high school, football was big on the number one topic.
Initiate retreat.
But 4 games into the season, he tore his ACL and he pretty much was told that his football aspiration for college and now was over at this point. I think that's when he started to hang out with some different people, different crowds, started experimenting with illegal substances.
Initiate retreat. Instant kill.
One place,
Mega
I
kill.
would say, show me your
Double
friends,
kill.
and show your people that
I am legend.
Maybe it was just being selfish
Attack the
to
Lord.
at that point, like, oh, I hate my parents type of situation where you don't hate them, you just don't like the follow rules.
Attack the
Muscle
Lord.
of iron,
can absolutely
bones of
drive
steel.
yourself insane thinking about the story.
We are unity in diversity.
Attack the Lord.
This one, that's my son David, and he's kissing
Attack the
which
Lord.
is just melts my heart. You couldn't buy a picture of me for $1 million. He was really
Legends never surrender.
You know, we're thinking about your son to
Falling damage. Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat.
On the way, there was some text messages.
Your team destroyed a
I was
turret.
just texting her to bring over some beef for the.
Initiate retreat.
We were also talking about doing the mushrooms, which is why they brought them with them, and they had them in the car with them.
Those would have been the most likely source of information on what was going
And I was like, people always say the police will like try to say crazy things, especially if you're a teenager. It doesn't seem like we're trying to figure out what's happening. It seems like we're trying to track down the
You have no idea how hard I tried to get Rosie
Very good.
to cooperate.
Saan?
So it's good to hear what she got. I'm fascinated to hear what she has to say.
First of all, it wasn't a party at all. Because in my opinion, and in everything that we did, we call it a sleepover, and that was just a friend's sleepover that we would normally do. We brought like a coloring book and like colored pencils. And we watched YouTube videos.
Me, Dave, and Donna were watching a shark documentary. Stupid shark TV. A couple times we'd go out, smack the ball.
We were having deep conversations and just sitting around. And we were also talking about doing the mushroom dating. But then by the time they got over
First year na ito na mo. Dami sa
and we're all like,
okay na lang. Masa mo pagtungo ko na ito? Nagpinagtagpitag mo
they
yan.
were all just kind of like,
Hindi mo sagpitag mo. Hindi mo kanta-kanta mo. Mag-discuss siya ba?
just smoke
Ay,
weed.
Ni Bob, ni wala na siya. Unahan. Ikaw rin pito na siya suot. Kung alauna dyan yung klase, mag-note na yun. Ikaw rin na siya storm in sa moron ba? Lagot ka siya, kuha ka ayun. Kahit ba, yung pito kataki mo.
ay ba?
Yung pito gi-overthink.
Her on the couch, and she was sleeping, and he was just like caressing her hair.
Lagi, uy, pag-uwat, eh, saman ka, uy. Abay ko ni Silpon, Roy.
To go out and do stuff.
There was
Dali
not
na, Rapunzel mo na.
one moment of tension. There was not
No.
one bad vibe towards anybody.
Nanagupa na niya sa Silpon. Paani mo.
So then I was like, are you guys leaving?
It was right before the
Eh,
day and we were talking, but he was
ikaw
supposed to
maningin
come
mo.
over and work on the truck with me the next morning. And I offered to take it home. Like, it was set that he was coming home with me, and like, the last minute, you know, just, you know what, I want to show you a little bit. For some reason, I'm already being the audience, and I love you. I love you too. Very good. It was the first time I was able to reach out for my life.
Pwede dyan mga tinuod, di may gani dyan. Bugbog kayo nga. Grab. May mo order of grab. Bugbog kayo.
But then, Charlotte Police Department called me about someone who could be like them. They think they can talk to me. I'm Trooper Elliot Rawson. I was a crash group construction trooper in the Ohio State Highway Patrol. We had this thing, surveillance camera video, so the final moments leading up to the event. Alright, so this is the first camera vantage point from the intersection of Progress Road and Pearl Road. Here